Hello everyone. In today's video I'll be discussing about the types of bolt. So let's start the video. So first of all, what is a bolt? So bolt is nothing but it is a type of mechanical fastener that always used in pair with nut. So this is the nut for temporary fastening the two components together. So bolt is used for the temporary fastening. So you can see this is the shank of the bolt, which is cylindrical in shape, and threads are cut onto it towards the tail end for a sufficient length so that this nut can be effectively engaged with this bolt. Now this bolt is specified by the shank diameter and total length. Suppose that the bolt is specified like this: M10 into 55. That means M10 is the nominal diameter of this shank and 55 is nothing but total length of this bolt. So now let's discuss about the types of bolt. First type is the hexagonal bolt. So name itself indicates that the head of the bolt is hexagonal in shape. So this bolt has six-sided head, which you can see in this image also: 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has six-sided head and threaded shaft. It is made from various steel grades. So it is most common form of bolt which is mostly used in many applications. So again, the head of the bolt is chamfered. So this chamfering is at an angle of 30 degree, which is conical in shape. Next bolt is the square head bolt. So the head of the bolt definitely square in shape. This head of the bolt is square in shape and it is used where it can be fitted into the groove. So this groove generally of square shape. So to avoid the turning of head, the groove is generally of a square shape. So this square headed bolt similarly chamfered at top end, used in bearing for shaft. Also you can see in this image the square headed bolt. Next is the cup headed or round headed bolt. So here you can see an image of cup headed or round headed bolt. So this type of bolt is generally oval in shape, so which is most commonly used in carpenter shop. So this bolt is most commonly used in carpenter shop. It is also known as rail track bolt. Next one is the T-headed bolt. So the head of the bolt definitely T in a shape. Okay. So it is used in a machine tools in which T slots are cut, and this bolt is accommodated in that T slots. So generally we see on lathe machine or on milling machine, in table there are T slots and this bolt is used for clamping the workpiece onto the milling machine table. So for that purpose this T-headed bolt is used on milling machine. Also we see another application, that is gland and stuffing box arrangement in boiler mounting such as top wall, feed check wall. There also this T-headed bolt is used. Next one is the cylindrical head bolt. So name indicating that the head of the bolt is cylindrical in shape. It is also known as cheese-headed bolt. Okay. Also you can see that a snug is provided below the head in cylindrical headed bolt. So this is nothing but the snug. So this is used in a big ends of connecting rod, eccentric, etc. We see the application of cylindrical head bolt. Next bolt is the eye bolt. So the eye bolt, you can see onto the screen, this is the eye bolt. This is a bolt with a circular ring. At the head you can see there is a circular ring at the head end, and towards the tail you can see threading. So eye bolts are generally fitted into heavy bodies to be lifted by the cranes. So if we want to lift the heavy bodies by cranes, so it can be done with the help of this eye bolt. So we generally see the eye bolts in machine shops where suppose dies to be lifted which are heavy loaded, so they can be easily lifted by this eye bolt with the help of crane. Next is the U-bolt. So here the shape of this bolt is like the English letter U, which you can see over here, with two threaded arms. So there is a threading on these two arms. So U-bolts are typically used to support pipe work or to attach a part to pole, beam or wall. So at that application we can use the U-bolt. Next is the shoulder bolt. So here onto the screen you can see the shoulder bolt. So here unthreaded shoulder. This is the unthreaded shoulder under the head that is larger in diameter as compared to the threaded part. So this threaded part is smaller in diameter as compared to this unthreaded part. So that is nothing but the shoulder bolt. These screws are designed for use in a part which require a mounting pin, joint, shaft, dowel, pivot or sliding motion. So in those applications, this shoulder bolt is preferred. Next is the hanger bolt. So you can see the image of hanger bolt. So a bolt made with a tapered lag screw thread. So these are nothing but the tapered lag screw thread at one end and a machine bolt thread on other end. These are nothing but the machine bolt thread. So this type of bolt is generally used in timber or wood construction. You can see that type of bolt. Next one is the hook bolt. So hook bolt is nothing but it is a hook shape bolt. So a bolt hook at one end is hook and other end is threaded to receive the nut. So that is nothing but the hook bolt. So this bolt is also used in applications like to hang items for ceiling and walls. There we use the hook bolt. So this is all about the types of bolt. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.